Well, Pokey, lovely day. Like, guess nothing that special. We're just sitting here. Yeah.
Japan is a lovely day, but it's gonna be Valentine's Day.
Yep. So, so you're not busy on Valentine's Day?
No, I'm not busy on Valentine's Day.
Good. I just want to know. So, I was thinking like do you want like to hang out on Valentine's Day? Nothing romantic. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Good. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna talk to my friends. Bye.
That's very strange from you, Daniel.
Well, it's gonna be Valentine's Day soon, so man, I wish Raya comes. I really miss her. I'm her owner, so sad. Oh come on, don't be under the weather. So what's gonna be Valentine's Day? Nothing could go wrong. Am I right, dog? I need your help. Well, there it is. What do you need help with? Well, I need this help with impress a friend, so to hang out, at 4, not like a date. So ha. Funny, isn't it? Bro. I know you and Hello Kitty, like you love her, bro. So may just ask her on a date. I can't do that. That's very hard of me. Yeah, true. What's stopping you? For one reason, I'm wearing my McDonald's outfit right now. True. So, may change the date. Hang out today. Like a date, we could prepare for you. I guess somebody's on the hook for me, so may call Optimus and get much flaps to help. Why do I need their help? To be the butlers? Duh. Fine, I'll go try. Are you sure that was a good idea? Yep, it is. Okay. So, can I ask you a favor? What favor does he need? Orgasm? How dare you? Look, I don't care, you can call me like any name. Right now I just need you to help me to set up a little thing for me. Depends what kind of thing it is, so we're not helping you. Oh, come on, what's your name? Really, dude. So, I guess my name is Mudflaps. Zelda is Kids. Right now he's not in a good mood. Wait, did you say noon? I said mood. Okay. Optimus, can these two be my butlers for this thing I had to do? Well, I guess. Right now I'm not busy at all. Protecting the galaxy from the Decepticons, so I guess you could take them for now. Be your fault the universe got destroyed. Thank you. You two meet me down about 5 minutes. I'm blaming on you. Okay. This is going good. Good. Okay, guys, ready? So, I'm gonna act as a butler, so. And also a waitress. No, not butler, I mean like a waitress. Yeah, I need a waitress. Oh, I know. To the little room, yeah. Good evening, you two, or good morning. I need you to do me a huge favor. Can you two be my two waitress?
Why shouldn't we? We're just doing nothing.
Hoot, I agree. But I don't know about you. Why you need two waitress? Nothing now. Just go ask. Hang out with a best friend.
Why do you need two waitress? That's kind of sus right there.
Okay, first of all, that's weird. But come on, please, for old pal. Hoot. Okay. I guess we could be your two waitress.
Okay, we can be your two waitress.
Nice. Okay. Thank you, dude. Thank you.
Are we gonna get paid for this?
Okay, I think I'll get everything ready for this table. Hey there, Daniel. What are you doing? Oh, hey, CG5. What are you doing here? I don't mind just walking here, like, like an ordinary person would do here. You know? I guess. What are you doing here? I just told you that. Oh, okay. That's why I'm asking you. What are you doing? Oh, I'm just setting up like a fancy table for my friend. Why? Cause it's on my Valentine's Day, so I just want to ask her out right now. Oh, that you're asking her on a date. Yeah? Yeah, that ain't gonna go good. What do you mean? You gotta do it a little professional, like act like a fancy way, you know? So, I'm gonna bring some musician. Wait, whatever. Fine, go bring some musician. Hey, Hello Kitty, how you been?
Good. Just sitting down here doing nothing.
Oh, okay. You want to hang out just today? But why not?
Okay, I'm not busy.
Good. Meet me under that thing over there. Okay, bye.
Okay.
Oh, you two, you're here. Yep, we're here. What do you want? Okay, need you to stand there before me and Hello Kitty sit down here. So yeah, darn it, I have milk today. Anyway, you two, you stand there and get ready for the table. And Hello Kitty will come in 5 minutes, okay? Blah. Guys, you made it.
Yeah, we made it and we will do our best.
Okay, yes, we will do our best. Thank you. Okay, I should get everything ready. Wow.
Excuse me, is this the location to meet dear Daniel?
Yes. Well, come in, follow me. Come in. Hello, you two lovebirds. As you know, today we're gonna have a nice, fantastic course meal today. You two as a friendship. So, your waitress will come and tell you what you ordered. Okay, bye.
I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna give you a random food and you're gonna love it. Okay, I'm gonna start making food.
So, Hello Kitty, how you been today?
I've been good,
That's good. This is what you know. Yo, bro, you gotta ask her out. Be quiet, Mudflat. Skits. My name's not Mudflat. I told you. Just because we look identical. You know what? We look the same. Be quiet. Hey, just ask her. I'm not asking her out. Fine. Just keep telling her. Okay, fine. You too. Play it now. Louder.
Okay, guys, I brought you food. One chip for you. Hold that, you have hands. One chip for you. And two gummies for you. And two gummies for you.
Wow, this is good made food. So, how far this food is going?
It's going fantastic. I love it.
Yeah, thank you. Just like, nothing that fancy, just like a bro trying to hang out with a friend, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah.
So then, I'm very late to work. See you next time. Hug. Okay, bye.
She hugged me. Guys. Woohoo! Now, I can only do this.